You've faced challenges, felt the weight, and shown incredible strength. Now let's talk about hard work, the transformative force that turns dreams into reality. It's not about comparison or adhering to others' standards. It's about surpassing your own expectations. Think of hard work as the chisel shaping the masterpiece of your life. Small, consistent efforts lead to significant breakthroughs. I understand the journey is exhausting, but envision the satisfaction, pride, and fulfillment awaiting you. In the face of challenges, doubts, and weariness, you must work harder. Channel frustrations into fuel, setbacks into comebacks. Your potential is limitless. The effort today is an investment in unparalleled success. Go forth with renewed vigor, embrace challenges, and let the world witness the extraordinary results of your unwavering dedication. Work harder, dream bigger, and watch the universe align with your relentless effort.